welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Oh, TGIF. But I have a very busy day ahead of me. Starting off with the production of this video. As every day. Last night, I prepared taco salad, casual chef style. It's very pretty in the photos. Very colorful and very yummy. It's one of these dishes, it's one of these meals that you get to play with, that you get to do whatever you want. With the basics. Yeah. Like, I like Doritos versus regular corn chips. That's just one idea. Tonight, because I have such a busy day, I'm doing peas with spinach over pasta. It's a nice little cream and lemon sauce that goes with this. Let's take a look. Got some hardware. Dutch oven for the pasta, saute pan for the sauce. I'll be using mini penne. You could use any pasta with this. I have a cup or so of leftover baby spinach. I'll be using frozen peas, like always. I wouldn't use canned, none in this. Of course, some kosher salt, some black pepper, some extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you notice, I have two bottles that look almost exact. The blue, or is it purple, rubber band denotes to me that is extra virgin, not the pumice in the other bottle. That's just one of the tricks I do here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Some heavy cream, some butter, of course, you gotta have butter, garlic, gotta love the garlic, and lemon. We'll be using the zest of the lemon and the lemon juice. So, full purpose on this one. Some Parmesan cheese, and this wilted Italian parsley. I will probably pick up some, while I'm out running my errands, pick up some fresh Italian parsley. So that's it. That's what's going on here in today's Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm working on some other projects, in the office on the computer. Yeah, stay tuned. Some big things are going to happen. Big things for me. Big things for you. So, on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.